everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your gift store. So if you're also running a gift store and want to send your customers the upcoming arrival packages, festive offers, you are in the right place. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can create a powerful broadcasting system for your gift store business, and you can send WhatsApp messages to a number of customers on a preferred date or time. So firstly, in this video we are going to create a message template. Now on the next step we are going to broadcast our message, and at last we are going to send the scheduled message on that specific date or time. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own broadcast WhatsApp message. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I will show you how you can broadcast a WhatsApp message for your gift store business. So here you can see this is the broadcast I have created, and you can broadcast your message for a number of customers on a specific date and time. Now I am going to show you the exact working of this broadcast message. For that I am going to enter the username and my mobile number, and after that I will just click on the send test message button. Here as I have entered send test message, I am getting a pop-up that is test broadcast sent. Now let's move on to my WhatsApp and check whether we have received this response, and here you can see in my WhatsApp I have received the template which I have broadcasted using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also broadcast WhatsApp message for providing the festive offers, upcoming collections to your customers to enhance your business, and you can do this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can click on sign in. But before moving further I am going to show you an amazing platform of Pabbly, which is Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is the platform provided by Pabbly where number of automation users, business owners and marketers share their ideas, ask questions and discover the latest features and tips for using Pabbly application. So you can also join this Pabbly community for sharing your workflows, getting the answers and get real-time and relevant updates. So join our Pabbly community now and grow your business. Now for joining Pabbly community you can find the link in the description given below. Now let's move on to our Pabbly chat flow. Now as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in, and as you finish your sign up you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. Now as we are going to broadcast a message, we just have to use Pabbly chat flow over here. So on this Pabbly chat flow app you can see we are getting the option for access now. So just click on this access now button and you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, and on this dashboard page you can see I have connected two WhatsApp number. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over the Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. And if you want to learn more about these features you can find the video link in the description given below. And as we are going to broadcast our message, we will select the broadcast over here on the sidebar, and once you will select the broadcast you will get this broadcast page, and you can see this is the broadcast I have created. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own broadcast. For that you just have to click on this add broadcast button. Now as we have clicked on the add broadcast button, we have got this WhatsApp broadcast page. Now here you can easily send WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts through broadcast, and this is perfect for making any announcement, promotions or providing timely updates to your customer. So now let's create our WhatsApp broadcast over here. So here you can see in this WhatsApp broadcast it is asking me to select the broadcast type. So here you can see we are getting the option for broadcast campaign and API campaign, and as we are going to broadcast a message we will just select broadcast campaign over here, but if you are using the API you can also select the API campaign. Now further we are getting the option for broadcast name. So now let's provide a name to our broadcast here. Here you can see I am providing it the name gift store offers. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the contact list. So you can see these are the contact list I have created. You can also create your own contact list. For that you just have to click on the contact on the sidebar, and once you will click on contacts you will get this contacts page. So here you can see these are the contacts I have added to my account. And now for creating the contact list, you just have to click on this add new contact list button, and here the page for adding contact list will appear. And now here it is asking me to enter the contact list name. So here you can provide the contact list name, and if you want to select any specific contact from your total number of contacts, you can provide tag to that specific contact. And here we are getting the status as opted in and the incoming status is allowed. Now you just have to click on this add button and your contact list will be created. And here you can see I have already created my contact list, that is my customers. So now I am going to select this contact list over my broadcast. So here I am going to select this contact list, that is my customers. Now here we are getting the option for pre-approved template message and regular message. So if you want to provide the regular message to your customers, you can enter the regular message over here. But regular message will only be sent to the customers with whom you have interacted within 24 hours. Now on this regular message, you can select the message type and enter the message you want to send to your customer. But I am going to use the pre-approved template message over here. And after selecting this pre-approved template message, it is asking me to select the WhatsApp template. So here you can see these are the templates I have created. You can also create your own templates. For that you just have to click on this template, and here you have to click on this template list. So just select it and create your own templates. And once you will click on templates list, you will get this template page, and here you can see these are the templates I have created. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own templates. For that you just have to simply click over this add template button. So as you will click on add template button, you will get this new template page, and here you can see in this add new template page, it is asking me to select the template category. So here I am going to select the template category as marketing, as I am going to use this template for my marketing purpose regarding my gift store. Now here it is asking me to enter the template name. So I am going to provide a template name, but you have to remember one point, that name can only be in lowercase, alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. So here you have to enter the template name without any special characters and white spaces. So now let's provide a name to our template here. So here I am providing it the name gift offers. Now I am going to select my language as English over here. Now further we are getting the option for entering the template type. So here you can see we are getting many template types such as text, image, video, etc. So I am going to select the text over here, as I am going to send a message regarding store offer. Now further we are getting the option for template header. So if you want to provide a header to your template, you can provide it over here. Now further we are getting the option for entering the template format. So here you have to enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter the template here. So here you can see I have provided this template format, and you can also see the preview of this template over here on your right side. Now let's move on further, and here it is asking me to enter the template footer. So if you want to provide a template footer, you can provide it over here. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the interactive action. So if you want to add any of the interactive actions such as call to action, quick replies, you can add it over here, but I am going to keep it as none. And now we just have to click on this submit button and our template will be created. And here you can see the template which we have recently created is approved. Now let's move on to broadcast and select this template over there. Now here I am going to select the WhatsApp template as gift offers over here, and we have to just click over this done button, and we have received this template which we have recently created. Now further we are getting the option for sending the test message. So if you want to check whether we are receiving the correct broadcast template, you can send a test message over here. Now you just have to enter your username and enter the mobile number, and you can send the test message. Now further we are getting the option for schedule broadcast. So if you want to send your broadcast instantly, then you have to select no, send instantly. But I am going to schedule my broadcast for some other date and time, so I will select yes, schedule for later. And here as I have selected yes, schedule for later, I am getting an option which is asking me to select the date and time. So here you can provide the date and time for which you want to broadcast your message. So here my date and time is already selected. Now we just have to click on this add broadcast button, and our broadcast will be added. So now I am going to show you the broadcast by sending test message. So now let's enter the username and the mobile number and generate a test message. So here I have entered my username and mobile number. So now let's click on the send test message and check whether we are receiving the response over our WhatsApp or not. And after that you just have to click on this add broadcast button, and your broadcast will be added. As I have clicked on this send test message, I am receiving this pop-up that is test broadcast sent. Now let's move on to my my WhatsApp and check whether we have received this broadcast message or not. And here you can see in my WhatsApp, I'm successfully receiving the template message which I have recently created over my Pabbly chat flow. So you can also create WhatsApp templates like this for your business by just using Pabbly chat flow. So this is going to help you enhance your business and engage your customers more. So you can also create WhatsApp messages like this by just using Pabbly chat flow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more broadcast messages like this. Thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.